A Samsung tablet is a wonderful equipment, but a tablet with problems would be a trouble, right? Samsung tablet users often complain that there are some problems with their devices. Part 1. Why Samsung tablet won't turn on. For some reasons, Samsung tablet might be unable to be turned on. In this case, you have several methods alternative to boot your device. 1. Force restart your tablet. 2. Reinsert the battery. 3. Charge the device. 4. Restart the tablet in safe mode. 5. Factory reset the tab. Part 2. How to fix Samsung tablet won't turn off. 1. Drain out the battery. 2. Force shut down the device. 3. Reboot system on tablet. Part 3. Dealing with the frozen screen on Samsung tablet. 1. Make use of the home button. 2. Soft reset the tab. 3. Factory reset the device. Part 4. Restore lost data from Samsung tablet. Most users would lose their desired files on tablet for unknown reasons. Restoring lost data from Samsung tablet is not a difficult task now. You can recover your wanted data from tablet easily with the help of Mobikin Doctor for Android. 1. Install and run the program on PC Mac. 2. Scan Samsung tablet for lost files. 3. Retrieve data from Samsung tablet.